Are you posting every day, but still feel like the world's best kept secret? Like you're almost invisible? Here's the truth. It's really not your fault. You've been misled about how to go about and get people engaged to buy from you. The truth is, the old way of being able to go out and do this has been taught. You go create a post, and the problem with this is the lead quality ends up really, really low. Do you know what I'm talking about, right? You have low lead quality. It almost feels like you're on a hamster cage trying to keep up. The new way to be able to do this is something we call connection campaigns. Connection campaigns, number one, starts with connect to your audience. It's romance in advance, if you will, right? Take your business hat off and put about a person to person hat on. If you met somebody and had chemistry, the goal would be to connect, then date and court, and then ultimately you might go deeper and deeper. So connection campaigns work incredibly well for you because with all these different platforms, you can literally create a piece of content and then magnify and amplify it for as little as 2 to about 10, 12 cents per view to your perfect audience, right? Here's the simple strategy that you can put in place starting today. Number one is create a piece of content that solves a problem for your particular client. It solves a problem. Number two, amplify it by putting $1 to $3 a day in a budget behind that content piece. And in no time, you literally can have thousands and thousands of views. Like one of our clients, Uncle Joe, he had a manufacturing and printing company. And when we started working with Uncle Joe, we started putting these campaigns in place. And the result of working with him, literally over a period of time, Uncle Joe had over 3.1 million views to his content through a series of videos, not posting 40, 50 posts a day, but literally a couple a month that we amplified using this exact strategy. It can work. It can work for you. Oh, and another strategic byproduct for Uncle Joe is that ultimately was one of a few things in our process that led to him being able to go out and have a dream come true solution and sell his company. Because let's face it, views are worthless if they don't turn to what? If they don't turn to sales, if they don't turn to clients, if they don't turn to business, right? And that's why our system works so well to bring high quality leads in the process. And in fact, this is just one of a few of the key pillars that we work with. Connection campaigns, connect with your audience, ultimately leads to quality leads, leads to conversions, and then being able to scale. And here's a simple blueprint that you can put in place. You start by getting people to register or subscribe and then have a mini survey, usually 3-4 questions, and then put a micro offer in front of them for $11 to $50. You will have, with the approach that we've taken, 5 to 15% of the people who register for free who buy. And they engage and open. If you've noticed that open rates on your emails are down, if you've noticed engagement is down, this is a simple solution to be able to do that. In other words, with this approach, instead of views, you get sales and profits. Is that what you want? If that is what you want, this is the new model to be able to get in place overall using connection campaigns. And again, this is just one of the 5 pillars in our unique model that we work with in this process in the new way. And if you want the full blueprint of how we do this and you want the full playbook, then I want to encourage you to comment connection down below. We've got an upcoming event right around the corner. If you'd like to join us and be around other 7 and 8 figure clients and partners that we bring together in a unique fashion to solve the implementation gap, comment connection down below. We'll send you all the details about the upcoming event right around the corner. And here's the thing. Take action with what we've shared with you. Put these connection campaigns in the front of your model, watch engagement go up, turn views into buyers and engagement, and ultimately more new business as well. And if you'd like the playbook to solve this, type comment or connection down below. We'll send you the full details on our upcoming event. Bye for now.